best coaster in the park, T3, here at Kentucky Kingdom. There is no lines today here at this park. Just got off the best coaster in the park, T3, here at Kentucky Kingdom. A lot of people complain about Sky Rush crushing your thighs. I'm gonna have to disagree on that. I think this one crushes your thighs more than Sky Rush does. But we're gonna head over to Storm Chaser now and Thunder Run.
Our team may remove their masks when in designated areas. These smile zones give us the opportunity to show you a smile in a safe and healthy way.
Run it light. For everyone's safety, no loose arms.
Hopping on Thunder Run for the first time here at Kentucky Kingdom.
Hey, please remain seated to roll your doors after your ride stops.
Was able to ride Storm Chaser 6 times. Running fast this afternoon. We could ride it many more times. We're gonna head over to the Rapids ride next. And as long as you're social distancing at Kentucky Kingdom, you do not have to wear masks if you're in open air. And where social distancing is not possible, that's where you put masks on. So indoors and as you enter the park, places like that. So head over to the Rapids ride now here at Kentucky Kingdom. So this is going to be the area where the new Raptor coaster is going in here at Kentucky Kingdom. It's a very tight space over here, as you can see. But this is the open area on where that new Raptor coaster is going to go. That was confirmed. So there you have it. That is a very confined and enclosed space, but it's big enough for the coaster because those are compact coasters, or for the Raptor coaster because those are compact coasters. But we're gonna head over to the Rapids ride now. So you're gonna have the new Raptor here, and in the background you're gonna have Storm Chaser in the background. So it's gonna make for an interesting backdrop here at Kentucky Kingdom. But yeah, construction has not started over here yet on the new coaster. It'll probably start here, I would say, in probably another month. But let's head over to the Rapids ride. And Thunder Run was recently retracted here at Kentucky Kingdom, and it is headed this way. A great coaster here at Kentucky Kingdom. Lightning Run today is running extremely fast and better than I remember from last year during their Halloween event. Check it out here. It's Chance. It's a 100-foot coaster. It calls itself like a hypersonic coaster, whatever you want to call it. Let's see it go through its course. Definitely check it out when you head out here to Kentucky Kingdom. Front row, in my opinion, is better than the back row on it. Headed out of Kentucky Kingdom. Until next time, thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for our next vlog here on Midwest Coaster Fans.